How to load a Hollywoodbets voucher to your account. A simple step-by-step guide. Vouchers are a popular and secure way to top up your Hollywoodbets account. Whether you've purchased a physical voucher from a store or an online one, the process to redeem it is quick and easy. This guide will walk you through exactly how to load your Hollywoodbets voucher and get your funds ready for betting. Step 1. Purchase your voucher. Before you can load a voucher, you need to buy one. Hollywoodbets offers its own Holly top-up vouchers, and also accepts vouchers from other providers like Odd Voucher, Blue Voucher, and One Voucher. You can buy a voucher in person at thousands of retail outlets across South Africa, including Pick n Pay, Spar, Checkers, ShopRite, Ingen, and other petrol stations. Alternatively, you can purchase an OTT voucher online and receive the PIN via SMS or email, which is a great option for convenience. Important: your voucher till slip or digital confirmation will contain a unique PIN or code. Keep this safe as it's the key to topping up your account. Step 2. Log in to your Hollywoodbets account. Whether you're using the website on your computer or the Hollywoodbets mobile site, the process is the same. Log in using your registered account details. Step 3. Find the Top Up or Deposit button. Once logged in, look for the main Top Up or Deposit button on the homepage. It is usually a prominent green button to make it easy to find. Step 4. Enter your voucher code. You will be taken to the deposit page. In the options, select the Voucher tab. You will be prompted to enter your voucher PIN or code in the field provided. Tip: double-check every digit to ensure it is correct. An incorrect code will result in an error. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After entering the code, click the Submit or Add Voucher button. If the code is valid, the funds will be instantly credited to your Hollywoodbets account balance. You can now use your funds to place bets on all your favorite sports, horse racing, or casino games. Common questions and quick tips. What if I have an error message? First, re-enter the code carefully. A common mistake is a typo. If the code is correct, the voucher may have already been used. Contact the Hollywoodbets helpline for assistance. What voucher values are available? Vouchers typically range from R5 up to R5,000, but this can vary by retailer. Can I get a refund for a voucher? No. Once a voucher is purchased, it cannot be returned, exchanged for cash, or refunded. How long is my voucher valid for? Vouchers are typically valid for 3 years from the date of purchase. If you encounter any issues, remember that the Hollywoodbets helpline is available 24/7 to assist you. Hollywoodbets supports responsible gambling. No persons under 18 years are permitted to gamble. Winners know when to stop. National Gambling Toll-Free Counseling Line 0800 006 008.